Hey guys, so in this week's video I'm going to take you along with me as I DIY some wood lanterns for my fall decor. Hit pause here to take a screenshot of what you'll need along with the cut list. I'm going to start out by taking one of the 14-inch boards and two of the 4-inch boards, and I'm going to attach them together with wood glue and 3/4 inch brad nails. And I'm going to do this with all of my boards. As you can see, I cut all of my boards with 45-degree angles. This is not absolutely necessary. You can cut them straight and just do butt joints, but I decided to miter mine it 45 because I just kind of liked that look better. But this is totally optional. Now I'm going to take my tape measure and I'm going to measure and mark each board at 2 1/8 inches. This is going to help me line up my boards as we start to attach all 4 of these pieces together. Now I'm going to take 2 of my pieces and start attaching them together. And as you can see, I'm using those marks to tell me where I need to place the boards. This is going to help make sure that they're all even all around. I'm going to take some wood glue and put it on the ends of the board. Place it on that mark, and then I'm going to take my nail gun with 3/4 inch brad nails and I'm going to toe nail these 2 boards together. Now I'm going to take my other 2 boards and I'm going to do the same thing, but this time I wanted to show you at a different angle. This video might seem a bit slow, but I wanted to make sure I went as slow as possible because when I saw the picture and I wanted to build this, I had to refer back to the picture I don't know how many times just to make sure that I was putting these together the right way. There was no build instructions or anything like that. It was purely going off a picture that I found on Pinterest. So hopefully by me going slow through this, it helps you with your build if you decide to build one of these. Now I'm going to attach these two pieces together. So it's basically the same thing. I'm going to put wood glue on my cut edges of my fur strips, and then I'm going to put them together and then toenail all of these together. It's going to kind of feel a little weird trying to get an angle to get a nail into these, so just kind of work around and see what feels best for you. It's to be able to get your nail gun in there and get these two together. Now I'm going to take my 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch board and I'm going to attach it to the top of my lantern. And I'm going to do this just by same thing that we've been doing the whole time, putting some wood glue and using our brad nails. And I just put the wood glue around the edges because the lantern does have a hole in there and I didn't want glue just seeping out everywhere. So I'm just going to line this up evenly as possible. I'm just eyeballing it, guys. You can measure it if you want to. I'm just going to eyeball it on there and just nail it in. Now that our lantern's built, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paint one coat of black paint and then 2 coats of white paint. Now I'm going to use my orbital sander with 80 grit sandpaper and I'm going to just lightly distress all the way around the lantern. I'm only distressing basically the corner edges of the lantern so I can get a little bit of that black showing through. It almost kind of resembles like chippy enamelware. Now I'm going to drill a hole in the top for my knob. I'm actually using a knob that came off a dresser from the 1800s that I've had sitting around for years and years and years. I'm so excited to be able to use these. So I just got a drill bit that was slightly bigger than the screw that comes with the knob, and I drilled a hole right in the center. And that's it, you guys. These were so fun, easy, and affordable. I can't wait to decorate these for fall, and I think they're gonna look great with my Christmas decor as well. And what's awesome about these is that you can change the height of the sides and make several different sized lanterns. I love this build so much that I made 4 of them. Well, that's it for this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed, and until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Bye, everyone.